Jolly Roger Stan Thomas Kiddie ride.
Today. Hold on tight.
And yes. Oh, sorry, I dropped my camcorder. Have a Jolly Roger in 2006. I was like a Lane Thomas Limited. You know, money's already in if you're wondering. By the way. So yeah. Just to let you know. Yeah, so I dropped my camcorder stuff for some reason. Or it fell off. Or flying off for some reason. I don't know why. Yeah, someone's his face there. Let's take it on the Jolly Roger Thomas the Tank Engine. The small one. You know, whistle. How's Thomas going to whistle? He's got no whistle. It's weird, I'll tell you that much. It took 2 V's, that's why I'm doing it, to be honest. I'm not just the last day today, to be honest. Please, storage. Don't have a film cut off. I'm begging you. I'm serious. That's why I'm saying this. Yeah, please, storage. I'm begging you. I think it won't be the storage today, to be honest. That was Jolly Roger Stan Thomas Kiddie ride.